Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is creamy prawn and chorizo pasta. Just right for a cold winter's evening. Or a summer's day. Or before or after the pub. Who am I to tell you when to eat it? Eat it for breakfast if you want. Don't look at me like that. I know you've eaten cold Chinese Sunday morning from the Saturday night takeaway. And don't you deny it. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, first thing you do to cook this recipe is in a heavy base saucepan, add a good slug of olive oil, bring up to temperature, add the onions and fry off until they become translucent. When they do, add in chorizo and stir around well. And continue to fry until the chorizo gives up them lovely delicious oils. This is quite a quick dish, so now is about the time you should start off your pasta. Just cook as the instructions say on the packet. After the chorizos have 2 or 3 minutes frying, it's time to add the garlic and salt and pepper to taste. Chorizo does have a lot of salt in it, so be careful how much salt you add. Next into the pot is a splash of good white wine, and remember the adage, the more wine you cook with, the less you got to drink after. Then it's time to add the prawns to the pot, which you could have seen if I'd remembered to turn the camera on. Then when the prawns are nice and pink, it's time to add the double cream, and apologies for anybody on a diet. And when the double cream is all amalgamated and the pasta is cooked, transfer the pasta into the sauce. And when the pasta is thoroughly combined with the sauce, it's time to turn off the heat and serve. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a go sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.